and you hear any outcry, you see any real definitive action from the Minister of Local Government and the Ministry of Local Government or the Office of the Prime Minister to deal with this matter that has been laid bare by the Integrity Commission and now the ODPP, the DPP's office? Nothing. The KSAC tells us, oh, they're going to be investigating. Investigate my foot? They're going to be investigating. They can't investigate themselves. That's rubbish. The KSAMC cannot investigate itself.
If we were to come together and recognize that removing people from poverty is, yes, first an economic activity, but it is also about the social ills. It is also about other things that contribute to people remaining in poverty. And a government, while it plays a critical role in nurturing the policies and facilitating the opportunities that are necessary for people, it cannot do it alone without the other institutions in civil society, from the family to the church, to the mosque, to Rastafari, to whoever, to sports, to cultural activity. And that we have to move our people first and foremost from dependence as a result of poverty to independence, but then to the final stage of giving back in the form of interdependence.
Look at what's happening with the KSAMC and building approvals. Yeah? The Barnett case. And before that, several other court rulings that lay bare that the system is broken, is in need of serious and urgent fixes. But the will is not there. The political will is not there to fix it. Because a lot of people benefit from the chaos and the corruption, the under the table thing. Yes. And I see where the Delroy Williams-led Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation issued a statement saying that they're going to be investigating and doing their own review of what the Integrity Commission and the DPP have found in relation to the Barnett matter. Now you tell me, the KSAMC is the problem, is part of the problem with NEPA. How are they going to investigate themselves? Nothing is going to come of it. And it wouldn't be the first time that they say that they are doing reviews and investigations and nothing will come of it. Yeah? The KSAC, as it was then, now KSAMC, they have long passed their sell-by dates. They're, as I said, they are political troughs. Yeah? You look at the state of town centers and you see that the local authorities are not working. They're not working. And they command every year millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. And it is the politically well-connected and their associates who benefit. Communities don't. Yeah? Residents of the towns, they are supposed to exercise authority, are not really important. So we're putting up townhouses and villages and whatever and communities, and the rules are observed. In the breach, there's no substantive enforcement of the rules, and it goes on and on and on. And you hear any outcry, you see any real definitive action from the Minister of Local Government and the Ministry of Local Government or the Office of the Prime Minister to deal with this matter that has been laid bare by the Integrity Commission and now the ODPP, the DPP's office? Nothing. Yes? The KSAC tells us, oh, they're going to be investigating. Investigate my foot? Huh? They're going to be investigating. They can't investigate themselves. That's rubbish. The KSAMC cannot investigate itself. And we have had too many examples. Huh? Some time ago, it sent some of its technical officers on leave or suspended them. Yeah? And what has happened to those? You remember the incident that went before the court? The Roseberry Drive issue? Nothing. Now the Charlie Mount Barnett issue? Nothing. And it continues. We're not serious. We're not serious about local government. At all. Not serious.
So you will never hear me bad mind nobody for them Finsack house. You will never hear me bad mind nobody for them squatter land where them a live pan. You will never hear me bad mind nobody for where them have. Madam Speaker, tomorrow the government will act to demolish those structures